Yeah, so we've sold the camper now. We don't have any excuses. So we're just going to have a little drive in the motorhome, have a random stop somewhere for the night, have a breakfast, and just go for a little drive about and get familiar with the van again. And hopefully we don't have any mishaps like our previous adventure we had. Right then, missus, you want to have a quick look on your phone and see where we can go for a quick stop for the night?
No, looking back for now. What about there? Here.
Make it a wee bit bigger?
There.
Yeah, that'll do, it's not too far.
Uh,
Okay, okay. Let's get organised then, eh? Oh yeah! Oh! Remember, watch your feet there. In fact, I'll just lift that. I don't want to stand in it by accident. We've just arrived and it's happened again. For some reason, my toilet ain't flushing. Even though I drained it, I would assume the pipes are clear now because these ones are okay. What's that phrase that you have? It doesn't rain but it pours. Number 2. We went to take the stuff out the basin and all the hand stuff has emptied itself in the sink.
so we've got soap everywhere.
So we're going to have to wash it all, aren't we? Unbelievable, eh?
Oh,
Full basin full of hand soap.
oh my god.
I always say things come in threes. What's going to be number 3?
God knows. I don't want to know.
So over the past few weeks I've just been catching up with some bits and bobs at home with the weather being so nice, and also some bits and bobs on the van from fixing the leak that we discovered on our last road trip. Phase 1, just give it a little smear and give it time to dry before you give it a second coat. Lovely jubbly. I've also added a few other accessories to the van to help it and cut down on the rattles. There you go, another little job done. And also I discovered just when we arrived here last night, we just didn't bother filming anything, we just wanted to relax, that I had a problem with our toilet. And silly me, I just assumed that this van, your storage tank held the water for everything. Your sink and your wash basin, your shower facility. I automatically assumed that the toilet was part of it. But it turns out that this particular vehicle has got a separate reservoir for flushing your loo. And here's me thinking it was broken.
You find out things all the time.
The joys of moving from a camper van to a motorhome. It's certainly different, I can assure you that.
A lot different.
Yeah, for by the size, it's basically like driving with a house at the back of you.
A mini house.
a mini house. Yeah,
Doesn't bother me too much.
no, I've slowly became customised to it. You still get a fright from time to time,
You do?
especially when you hit a pothole. You're always going like that, see if something's fell at the back.
You're paranoid about it.
Aye. I'm not quite paranoid yet, but I still go like that and say, what the hell's fell on the flare?
I hear all the different noises.